We're going to start by learning a little bit more about what each folder and element is in the content tree of Umbraco. You'll find everything you need right here. So the first section I see is this little home button right here under Mount Brighton. If I click on that, this content element, along with everything else that is hard-coded, is what I'm going to see as a user when I go to mountbrighton.com. That is the home page. Now, when I go under the home page, I see various manila colored folders. On Umbraco, these are called route navigation folders. On the front end, they will show up as the primary navigation bar when navigating through Mount Brighton's website. Further in, I can see what would be various drop-down menus. So if I went on mountbrighton.com, I would see my route navigation folders all throughout here. And as you can see, the drop-down menu of what's called an inner page. This is an inner page right here. If I were to click on this inner page, what I'm going to see are tabbed inner pages, which are going to come from tabbed menus. So, About Mount Brighton, I see all of my tabbed inner pages right here. When you're editing, this is the path you're going to go through. You can also see it by the URL. So I see Mount Brighton, About Mount Brighton, About Mount Brighton, About Mount Brighton. So I come back in to Umbraco, About Mount Brighton, About Mount Brighton, About Mount Brighton. And this is how I find the correct information to edit or where to add certain things into the pages. If you're looking for different elements that might not live on one single page, you want to look in content elements or global content elements for things such as promotions, background images, and things like that.